A long time ago, there was a jester in the royal court of a king. He was very popular for his wittiness and intelligence. He was the king's favorite. But some of the courtiers had a grudge against him. One of the chiefs never liked him. He was always ready to put him down. However, he never succeeded in his mission. One day, the jester was strolling in his garden. The chief who hated him came there and said,
"You seem to be very fond of your garden, as you spend most of your time taking care of the plants."
Yes. I have brought different plants from different places for my garden. Hence, it is my responsibility to nurture them,
he said. And he showed the minister different kinds of plants in his garden. Then he said to the chief,
"If you have any special kind of plant in your garden, please be kind enough to give it to me. I am very fond of plants and trees."
The chief thought for a while and said,
"All right. One of my friends has given me some special seeds. Tomorrow, I will send some of those seeds to you."
Many, many thanks. I promise you that I will take great care of those plants,
promised the jester. The next day, he sent some seeds to the jester through his servant. The jester found the seed strange. He put a seed in his mouth to taste, but he spat it out.
"Oh, these are fish eggs,"
he said to himself.
"The chief is trying to fool me. I will teach him a lesson."
After 3 months, the chief asked the jester,
"My friend, what about the seeds that I sent you?"
"Oh, Chief, I have no words to thank you. You have done me a great favor. I am grateful to you,"
said the royal jester. The chief was puzzled. He said,
"What are you saying? I am unable to understand."
"From the seeds you gave me, a special kind of plant has come out. Come to my garden tomorrow morning. I will show you the crop,"
said the royal jester, smiling to himself. That evening, the jester went to the market and brought a sack of fish. The next morning, when the chief came to his garden, he was amazed to see the plants. His mouth remained open. He said,
"Is this true? A fish farm? I never thought, even in my dreams, that fish's eggs can grow into plants. I still don't believe this."
"I have already told you that a different kind of plant has grown in my garden. I am also amazed,"
said the royal jester, smiling quietly.
"Really, my friend? This is amazing. But don't tell anybody about it. Only you and me will do this cultivation."
Then he ran towards the market, bought some fish eggs from there, and sowed them in his fields. In the meantime, the jester told the king all about the chief and the fish farming. The king broke into laughter. On the other hand, the chief would go to his field daily and wait for the plants to grow. Many months passed by, but nothing grew in his field. He met the jester and said,
Friend, the fish plants have not grown in my field yet. Can you tell me the reason?
Is your field fertile for farming?
asked the jester.
My field is extremely fertile,
replied the chief.
Maybe the seeds are not productive then,
said the jester, laughing at him. The chief left the place in anger. He murmured to himself,
He has made me a fool. How dare he?
The next day, the king told the whole story in court. Now the whole court was echoing with the sound of laughter. The chief's face became red with shame. He did not come to court for many days after that.